Unraveling the mystery of "doggone it" in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in American English conversations: doggone it. If you've heard it before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and a little bit of its origin to help you understand and perhaps even use it yourself in everyday English. So, let's get started. Doggone it is an exclamatory phrase used to express frustration, disappointment, or annoyance. It's a mild, euphemistic expression that replaces stronger words that might not be appropriate in polite company. The phrase is seen as quaint or old-fashioned, something you might hear in classic movies or from older generations. Doggone it can be used in various situations. For example, when you make a small mistake, doggone it, I forgot my keys at home. When you're mildly upset, doggone it, the cookies are burnt. When expressing sympathy for a trivial mishap, doggone it, I'm sorry to hear your team lost the game. It's a safe phrase to use among friends, family, and even in professional settings where mild humor is appropriate. However, it's not commonly used in formal writing or speeches. The phrase, doggone it, is believed to have originated in the United States in the 19th century. It's thought to be a bowdlerized form of "God damn it," altered to avoid blasphemy. Over time, doggone became a word in its own right, carrying no religious connotation and being acceptable for general use. Let's look at a few examples to see how doggone it fits into everyday sentences. Doggone it, I just missed the bus. You won the lottery? Doggone it, that's amazing. Here, it's used to express enviable surprise. Doggone it, I thought today was Saturday, but it's only Friday. By using doggone it in these ways, you can add a touch of character to your speech. We hope this video has shed some light on the charming phrase, doggone it. Whether you're feeling frustrated, a little annoyed, or just want to express a playful complaint, this phrase is a polite and light-hearted addition to your English vocabulary. Don't be afraid to try it out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Doggone it, we're out of time, so until the next video, keep practicing your English.